Hey guys, it's me King back again with a brand new unboxing video, and in today's video we are gonna unbox Moyo RS3M 2020 Cubelelo Elite Edition, and I am also gonna compare it with my main Gant 356X. So without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, first of all, the box is very small. I don't think there is a cube inside this box. So let's begin unboxing. So here is the Moyo accessories box. First, let's take a look at the accessories which we get with this cube. These all are pamphlets which I don't think I need it. So just Moyo screwdriver. What is this? I guess it's a compression system or something like that. Because I never have a Moyo cube because I always purchase GAN cubes. Now let's take a look. Oh, there is a cube in. Oh, there is a stand. Moyo stand. What are this? Oh, Cubelelo Elite sticker. Let's just take. Oh, the cube is a bit heavy, I guess, or I don't know what's. Right, first of all, the cube is extremely smooth, but I don't think that I like the feel of this cube because yeah, the cube is also a bit sandy. Not this. I am talking about this RS3M 2020, and it's very heavy in comparison to GAN X. And the feel of the cube is a bit cheap. I don't know why. But the cube, overall, the cube is actually very great. I think it can't be my main, but it is actually a very great cube. So let's just take a quick solve of this cube. I guess I need to make a full review video on this cube because I don't have words. This cube is actually very great.